Hi! Welcome to my channel! Meron po akong mga inedit na mga video clips ng aming summer vacation nung last September 2019 ng aking fiancé, which is nag-propose siya sa akin noong time. So, and also mga mamshis, konting kaalaman lang po, ito po ang aming pag-harvest ay sa amin lang pong konting lote, anong tawag dyan. Kaya para lang po sa pansariling gastos lang po namin. So, I hope, mamshis, you please subscribe, like, and share my channel. So, para po ay I don't know if maka-inspire or I know, tatawa po kayo mga mamsis dahil yung aking Bisaya doon, Bisaya, English, very, very, pati ako natatawa kasi ang tagal na ng mga video na yon. So, let's spread love, let's spread positivity, let's spread laughter. So, I hope you enjoy, mamsis. This is the toxic to open the can. To open. Turas Brian. Pwede na ni magminyo. Love, you can marry a Filipino now. You are very hardworking. We can eat now.
This is hardworking. Like my work.
Yeah, this is very hardworking. We can eat now. Dili na tayo magutuman nito.
Why you not put in the box?
No, it's in the box. Uy, wala tayong kurana?
When you're done, put this in the box.
No, in the box, not in the sack.
Then find the sack.
Uy, kuang sako dito ka.
It's double, double
Yeah.
work. You put it there.
Life of a farmer is not easy. It can be rain. It can be rainy days. Papa! How are you doing? Hoy, hawa diha ni kuso. Farmer laba. You slowly there. Agoy Ginoo ko. Pwede na maminyo og Pilipinas. Ay, ako po din. Nag-video manggod ko. Nag-video. Okay. Isa. Okay. Okay.
Are you going?
Yeah, we're going. That I can manage. Princess, imong tiil ha? Oo. First wait lang alat lang.
Yeah.
You like?
Huh?
You know how to sa may tulubo-lubo the maize? Can you say lobo? Lobo the mais.
Lobo the mais.
Mm. So you can buy rice.
Seconds later.
Shandan, taran. Oh, nagkuhan jud mais. Butan jud kaayo. Ikaw pud manok. Hiluman na kayo, oy.